Approaching the Summer Solstice. Written by Linda Borghi. Read by Linda Borghi from Farmyard. Well, hello everyone. Linda Borghi here from Farmyard. And you, my friends, are just one seed away. We are now approaching the summer solstice. Yes, indeed we are. I am recording this on June the 9th. And for about a week now, I have been noticing such a difference in the light. Not that it is light later. That's not what I'm referring to. What I see and feel is a change in the quality of light this time of year. The brightness of the light, the texture of the light is so different for me while approaching the summer solstice. You know, I find it so funny that here we are with the summer solstice landing on June 21st. The time of year we all look forward to, sun and light, so to speak. When really, the day after the summer solstice, we begin to head into the darkness and begin to lose light, so to speak. Brother David Steindl-Rast taught me all about the hours of the day. Brother David is a Benedictine monk, and each hour has an angel that calls to us. Living in this rhythm allows one to drop a task at hand, no matter how important we thought it to be, to follow the call of the angel of the hour. Such a blessing to be able to drop and follow a call. Do you get any inner calls to do something at a specific time, a specific day, to go to a specific place? Does your inner voice talk to you or yell at you? Does it say to you, "Come on, let's do it, we can do it"? If your inner voice is talking to you, my supreme farmer advice is to follow it. I have been following my inner voice my whole lifetime, and it has taken me right here, speaking with all of you today. Who is luckier than me? I can tell you, you. All kidding aside, this is really thrilling for me, to be able to pass on information so that it can continue for generations to come. Important information about origins, traditions, value, observations, and connections. Did you ever ponder how we are connected to each other? Well, I'll give you 4 areas that are not written on the page. That would be food, water, air, and the earth beneath our feet. Well, sitting out here this afternoon, the sun has been playing hide and seek today. It has been a very soft day today. When the sun is behind the clouds, and it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and there is so much activity out here. It's like everybody is finishing their to-do list. The gnats, the bees, the butterflies. Pretty soon the mosquitoes will come out and everybody else will kind of go in. The birds start singing again at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, just like they start singing at 4 o'clock in the morning. There must be some type of portal at those hours of the day. Be aware that we are still heading into the light, as we will do that until the 21st. Notice the different nuances and then compare them to heading into the darkness. Let's not forget that the light lives in the darkness. So, that's all I have for you now, kiddo biddos. I will see you on the flip side, and until then, go farm that yard.